Now we're walking over to the garage number 20 in the paddock here at the Rolex Monterey Motorsports Reunion, because we were told that BMW is going to have a special display, and I believe it's going to be the new 2025 BMW M5 Touring that had its world premiere yesterday. So let's go check it out. What we got to see here on display is the newly unveiled 2025 BMW M5 Touring, which, like I said in the intro, made its world premiere at Monterey Car Week. So upon reading about this new M5 Touring, let's go ahead and dive into the details and explore the key specs this car has to offer. Starting with the fact that this is the first M-Car station wagon to be sold in the US and features an advanced M-hybrid drive system that combines, according to BMW, a high-revving 4.4-liter V8 engine with an electric motor, producing a max combined system output of 727 horsepower and 737 pound-feet of torque. Jumping into some key highlights now, the BMW M5 Touring is based, of course, on the BMW M5 sedan, but is being delivered with the goal to provide extra versatility with its wagon design. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, according to BMW, and is expected to hit the US showrooms by early 2025. Now, I'm sure some of you might be interested in exploring some of the design details, so let's go ahead and talk a bit about that. The new BMW M5 Touring features a design that combines M-specific elements with the familiar proportions of a touring model. It differentiates itself, however, from the BMW 5 Series Touring through a higher proportion of body color surfaces paired with a black solid roof. The front includes large air intakes and a BMW M kidney grille with iconic glow lighting. The side profile is marked by flared wheel arches, strong shoulders, and a long roofline. And going over to the rear, the design emphasizes the car's width with a roof spoiler, vertical reflectors, and a two-section diffuser with twin exhaust tailpipes on both sides. Now, going into some more info that was released about this new car, some standard features include all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The all-wheel drive system is rear-based, but can actually switch over to a rear-wheel drive only mode for those who are seeking a more traditional setup. And I know there's been some talk about the weight, and yes, this car is weighing in at 5,530 pounds, making it about 1,100 pounds heavier than the previous generation M5 sedan. However, like I mentioned in the beginning, BMW estimates the 0 to 60 miles per hour time to be 3.6 seconds, which is just slightly slower than the M5 sedan. The standard top speed is limited to 155 miles per hour, but it actually has an option to raise it to 190 miles per hour through the M Drivers package. Pricing starts at $122,675, which this makes the M5 Touring a $2,000 premium over the M5 sedan. And if this kind of makes you wonder, its closest competitor is the Audi RS6 Avant, which offers similar pricing but less horsepower. Now, a quick summary of the interior. This model includes a suite of luxury features such as Bowers & Wilkins sound system, ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, a curved iDrive 8.5 display, and also a head-up display. Now, to wrap things up, customization options through BMW's individual program offer a variety of exterior colors and premium leather interiors as well. And like I believe I mentioned in the beginning, production is set to begin later this year, with the US deliveries expected in early 2025.